All right, something neat just happened. I got this drift car, the cheap one from Amazon, the gateway drug. So we're gonna check it out. All right, what's in the box? I'm capable of filming and opening this box. Ooh. Did you see that? Look at that car. That's kind of a cool car. Not sure what it's supposed to be. But look, what we got? We got drift wheels. We got 2 fat ones for the back, 2 skinnies for the front. Not 1 battery, but 2 batteries. We got the USB charger for the batteries. We got some cones, so I'm gonna be setting up a course with that. Oh, what? The controller too? And a couple batteries that go to the controller. Now this controller, it looks definitely cheap. And it looks like it only has really 1 speed. It's just click, click, turn, turn, and a power on and power off button. All right, we gotta undo these real quick. I think the car's cool looking though. I like the color for sure. Oh, what's that? Dinner's cooking? Oh, I better shut it off. Let's get back to this drift car. I'm more excited of playing this than eating. Just pulled the ties off. All right, a little tricky and awkward with one hand. All right, look at that thing. I think it's pretty cool for like 44, 45 bucks. I think I paid for it. Let's see, how's the bottom look? Looks like just flip on and off. Oh, the battery just goes in here. I don't even need to take off those clips. But I want to take the clips off and see what's under the hood real quick. 1, 3, 4. Oh, losing them. All right, well, pretty basic. It's got the radio antenna, but it's fully enclosed. Oh, there's not much to it, so let's put that shell back on. All right, let's get that clip back in there. Yeah, these clips are a little cheap plasticky, but they seem to work. All right, let's get that battery in there. I charged one already. I don't know which one it was. Oh, well, we'll have to check. Boom. Up the gun with the car. I need to put these batteries in the receiver. All right, well, we're gonna slide these 2 batteries in there. 2. All right, let's power this on. Power the car on. Woo, look at the disco lights. Oh, let's turn off the light real quick. Oh, let's throw some rave music on. All right, so we got the rubber tires on there right now. All right, let's gas this baby. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I don't even have the drift tires on it. Woo, look at go. First crash. Oh shoot, crash. I don't want to break this thing. Yeah, it's pretty tough. All right, I'm gonna go eat my food and then we'll put on the drift tires. I'm gonna admire the car while I eat. So I'm sitting here checking out the car. I got the cones. All right, come on, open the bag. Not rocket science. I do have 1, 5, 6 cones, and it came with 4 extra body clips, which is cool because these things could break and get lost real easy. But I want to swap out the tires. It looks like it comes with the Phillips screwdriver. This car didn't come with any tools, so I will have to dig up a Phillips screwdriver. And I really like the way that color looks. It's a neat little drift car. I know it's fun to throw around, so it'll entertain me on my lunch breaks. I was able to find the bike tools, so let's see if that'll fit. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't find the screwdriver that would fit. I know I have them at the house in my RC tools, but for now, we'll just play around for a few minutes. All right, well, this will be a little fun, but it's all or nothing throttle. So I don't really know anything about drifting, so this is my first experience. I was able to put the drift tires on. I set up the cones and started drifting.